from Sha'carri Richardson, but it doesn't matter as she starts to wind up. Tamara Davis on the inside, but Sha'carri looks
So Sha'carri Richardson made a very big statement yesterday at the USA National Olympic Trials. Although a lot of athletic fans are still yet to comprehend the message and warning Sha'carri Richardson sent to the Jamaican 100-meter queens, Shelly, Elaine, and of course Shericka Jackson. Now, it is not yet the semi-final and the final, but Sha'carri Richardson was able to blaze a time of 10.88 seconds. Now imagine when it comes to the semi-final and final. How do you think and what do you think is going to happen when it is finally the final at the USA track and field trials? Definitely she might run 10.60 or 10.50, who knows. It's gonna be amazing, and I'm anticipating to see what she has up her sleeves. I can't wait to see how she's gonna unveil and run the final heat on Sunday. And today the semi-final will be taking place, and I can't wait to see what she is after. Also, make sure to tune in to see Sha'carri Richardson blazing another hot time. And I feel like this is actually a warning, to the Jamaicans queens of 100 meters, Shelly, Elaine, and of course Shericka Jackson. But I know a lot of people are misunderstanding the message, right? A lot of people have not yet comprehend the warning, but I feel like this is a warning to Shelly that Sha'carri Richardson is sending. She's telling her that, wait, I'm coming for the gold medal. Wait, I am here to stay, and I'm gonna be here for a very long time. And not forgetting that Shelly and Fraser Pryce has already achieved a lot. So I feel like whenever it's your time, nobody can stop you, right? That is the definition of Sha'carri Richardson. Shelly and Fraser Pryce has been waiting for a very long time. Maybe it's finally time for Sha'carri Richardson to have her own time, right? So and Shelly will also be hoping to defend the title at the Paris Olympic, and Sha'carri Richardson will also be aiming for the gold medal. So it's gonna be amazing, and I can't wait to see what happens. Let me hear your opinions, and don't forget to like and subscribe.